Also on the bench. Good pace.
Nicely done from Lambert. Atkinson. Burke plays it back to Atkinson, who charges down the wing. Skids past his man. Drives in. Plays on top of the penalty area. It's a goal. It's in. What a play by Team Jamaica. They go ahead in the 81st minute.
Player number 21 for the Reggae Boyz, Nicalia Fuller. He gets his first goal for the Reggae Boyz. And you can see the celebrations. Atkinson taking on Gabriel down the right-hand side. Pace. Slipping, dipping the shoulder. Ball into the box, across. And there was number 21, Nicalia Fuller, waiting just on top of the 6-yard box. Open his account. International football for the Reggae Boyz.
All right, people. All right. Nah lie. The revision should have been done from last night, but me end up reach home late. Me done the stream, me done the watch along from about 7 o'clock. I reached home a little bit late, so I do apologize for the late reaction to the match or the late review to the match. But boy, that was a very, very difficult game to watch. A really, really difficult game to watch. Positives? I don't know. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. Hopefully, guys are doing good and everything's okay. It is Monday. It's a new day. It is a new day. A new week. We're still in the month of January. My word, what a month long. The month is so long. But big up on yourself, people. Blessings as always, because we're alive and well and we have strength. So let's keep on going. Let's keep on pushing. Let's keep on making the moolah. Anyways, I'm giving the Father praises. So, people, me not lie, that game the hard to watch. Jamaica defeated Grenada 1-0, but it was really a tough watch. A very, very tough watch. Like, both teams look not up to par. Both teams didn't look up to par. But another question is that really what we're watching game for? Are we watching the game to see the game plan, the coach's identity, all that kind of stuff there? But why? What did we really saw? Tell us, people. Go in the comment section right now. Tell me where you see. We just 2 minutes into the video. Tell me where you see. Go in the comment section. Tell me where you see. And on route to, since you're taking taxi a guy comment section right now, very, very fast. En route to the comment section, please, may I beg on the people, hit the like button. One strange thing happened. The watch along video yesterday get 1,000 likes. To be honest, I didn't have so much persons on the watch along to get that amount of likes. So YouTube come like it's a glitch. So there's a glitch in YouTube right now. So I'm kind of wonder how that happened. It doesn't make sense logically. You really get that amount of likes on a watch along unless you're hitting like probably like 60 or 70,000 views. So basically the average ratio is more likes than the amount of persons view based off of the average ratio of YouTube. Anyway, just a weird stuff. That's from YouTube, something. Anyway, so people, back to the football. Anyways, let's get started with the starting lineup. Amal Knight in goal, Kyle Ming right back, Damian Lowe centre back, Stephen Young centre back, Ronaldo Webster left back, Kevin Lambert and Jashawn Anglin in the middle of the park to anchor the ship, Nikhil Ellis in the attacking midfield role, Jordan Fletcher on the right hand side, Dwayne Atkinson on the left hand side, and Warner Brown leading the line. A difficult game. So this is quite different. All the difference with my starting lineup is that I had Dishane Beckford on is it Beckford? I used Beckford and Fuller. I started Beckford and Fuller in my starting lineup. And you saw what happened when Fuller came onto the pitch. A bit of life came into the games in some sense. But me have some notes here, but really and truly the notes here. Let me just read the notes what I have. First 5 minutes, a good bit of possession. good bit of possession. 10 minutes, Grenada camping on their own half. For the entire half an hour, doing Atkinson was actually our most dangerous player. And the 42nd minute, there was a 3v1 with Stephen Young. And that was really, really good defending. Reading the play, waiting on his moment, and then snapping in. So it was really good defending from Stephen Young in that 3v1 situation. And at that point in time, I was like, where's Damien Lowe? Where's Damien Lowe? And then I see Damien Lowe far back at chase. I get caught in the middle, caught high up the pitch. So good defending from Stephen Young. And then Warner Brown, this is probably our first shot. Other than the free kick, this is our second shot on target, which came in the 44th minute from Warner Brown. But that's just the first half. That's just the first half. The entirety of the first half. But in regards to the game of play, in regards to the playing of the football on the pitch, oh my word. So much turnovers. So much mispasses. Too much turnovers, too much mispasses. You can kind of see what the players are trying to do, you know. You can kind of see that, you know. But you have to wonder if, like, it's a level. I have to say, though, that the Grenada team, they were very, very physical. They were quite a physical team. They made the game aggressive. They let it become a 1v1 situation, a 1v1 battle right across the pitch. Every player individually have to be combative and competitive in trying to win their individual battles. So Grenada did well in regards to nullifying some aspect of what we're trying to do. But I thought that personally, we took too long to get our foot on the ball. We took too long to cool on the game, take this thing out of the game. Them they're home, you know, the fans them up, and you know them feel it, them feel the vibe, them know them want. This is a big opportunity to get at Jamaica. The youngster that I spoke about played in the 20. He had a fairly decent game. He played number 20, Raheem Rayborn. Had a fairly decent game as well. But overall, in the context of the team, the structure of the team, I didn't really see much. I was trying to, nitpick a few things, but I have to say it was quite difficult. I have to say also that the cameraman, Jesus, please, the cameraman who broadcast the game. Jesus, please. The man has have the one camera, I follow a player with the ball, I follow a ball. Not even one open view, me can see how the pitch look, me can see how the team them look. Now me understand why coaches get the video camera them, okay? Boy, but that was really, really bad still. You really get an opportunity to see the entirety of the picture, see how the team set out, how the team layout, the different transitional phases of the game. You not get an opportunity, a good opportunity to see the lines between the middle, defense, and attack. I couldn't get to see that. So I can make a good assessment of, the structure of the team. But nevertheless, the goal came in the 88th minute. I have to say, Busy was really dangerous from minute one. He's the only player I can say really stand out. I thought that when Fuller came on, he came on with a lot of fire in his belly and showcase what he can do. On an individual performance, I have to do this. I speak about the players. Let me just bring it back on it. Thought Amal Knight didn't have much to do. I think he didn't have much to do other than one moment where the ball came across and I thought he missed it. But he didn't really have much to do throughout the night. Kyle Ming. Oh boy. Kyle Ming. What we can say about Kyle Ming? Defensively, it didn't get done defensively, but in possession, thought that he was not necessarily best in possession. Missed quite a few missed passes, quite a few turnovers. He lost possession a few times as well. It didn't get done defensively, but these are areas that he must be sharpen up on a little bit, especially in the right back position down there. Damien Lowe had a decent game, other than the one moment when him kind of ball not here, Steve Young on the ball, and him kind of basically should see over that way because he want to control the situation. What I can say about Damien Lowe is that I think he play with his heart too much. No, nothing wrong to play with the heart, but he plays with too much responsibility. And what I mean by that is he feels the need that he has to take responsibility of the game and of the defensive third. Like I say, I won this. Everything was there in the defensive area. I may have to deal with it. No. You have a next centre back pairing, you have a left back, you have a right back. Allow them to do some of the work. You don't have to do everything. You don't need to do everything. Allow your other teammates them to do some of the work. Share the work independently. And me, I think more than likely, even some of the moments of a little bit of confusion or having a defensive third, that probably wouldn't happen if you just allow your teammate to do your work. And I understand that in this I say, him no one concede no goal. It's not just a matter of standing out, but you just don't want to concede no goal. But in doing so, you have to also trust your teammate them as well. So put some trust in your teammate them and allow the game to flow a little bit. But overall, I can't say me seem to really bad. Nonetheless, in the one moment where I think him head the ball off a goal and he almost going to cause our own goal. And also the moment when him collide with Stephen Young and that. But he clean up well. 1 and 2 long ball. Natural, expect that from this is a Jamaican team. A Jamaican team I play. Anyways, I thought that Stephen Young was quite good as well. I thought that especially the 3v1 situation, he did what he had to do. He was not doing nothing extra. None extra, nothing fancy. Keep it simple, keep the ball, pass it, move in the position. But I don't really have any much to say about Stephen Young in regards to how he play. I thought he had a fairly decent game. Webster, mixed game from Webster. In-out type of game. You can see that the level that he's playing is actually not this. And he must try basically drop him level, I have to say. Now, if you should say that you want to be impressed by Webster, I don't think this is a game for it. But he was really heavily involved. Him and Busy kind of link up really nicely. Good link up between him and Busy. But a few missed passes as well. Never get done. I don't remember getting done. Probably that's my foggy brain right now in regards to how long, to how long watch a game. But not bad from Webster. Then Miguel Park, Lambert and Anglin. I thought both of them didn't control the game well. They allow the Grenada team to rough up the middle of the park, and something that I never like. A lot of physical that the Grenada team employed themselves in. I thought at moments they didn't get to receive the ball off the defenders, forcing the defenders to go long. If they fetch, probably the ball can progress a little bit better. We still a bypass in the middle of the park. As I said, I still think they never fetch enough. As soon as defender receive the ball, run to the defender, man. Go to the defender. If you pull one player with you, let the attacking midfielder get the job done. Nikhil Ellis, I thought that in the first half, it was a little bit too high up in the... Well, no. Probably that was instructions. Play out the pitch, run and crash the box. Then now, in the second half, he seems to start coming deep, getting foot on the ball. I think later stage of the first half, start dropping deep, getting foot on the ball, moving ball around, showing some quality. Then now, in the second half, now he start drop deep more often, getting foot on the ball. Because really and truly, Grenada was not playing a kind of a low block, very aggressive mid to low block. So they never really allow us on the ball or time on the ball per se. Yes. Fletcher, a mixed game from Fletcher. The Fletcher that I don't think Fletcher had the best game. Listen, nobody really play exceptional. Nobody not play exceptional. But it's not a case in which everybody was just horrible. That's not the case. That's not the case. It's not a game. You have to assess the game by the game and not by what you think or what you want. That's not your assess game. You assess the game for the game itself and not by what you think or what you want. So, thought Busy was the most dangerous player on the pitch. Warner Brown just got the ball in moments. We didn't really get the ball most of the time if you try to feed off of scraps or if you try to run the channels because the ball will go over the top. And he never get much service either. So overall, the team, not the best performance I have to say from the team. I saw Chambers came in. Chambers was fairly well, did fairly well. But something happened, I don't remember what happened with Chambers, but something happened, I remember. I don't remember at all. Ezra came on, was okay. Cummins okay as well. Watson, I thought Watson looked good when he came on. Moved the ball fast, very, very sharp. I thought that he looked pretty decent. Merrick as well looked decent when he came on. Reed came on okay, but he lost the ball quite a few times. Burke move the ball smoothly when he came on. Hold up play was quite good. You did well in the build up of the goal. Fuller, brilliant goal from Fuller, I have to say. Good movement when he came on. I thought we gained an extra attacking threat. We gained some extra. We step it up a notch in the attacking third when Fuller came on. Thought Beckford was smooth on the ball. Green, I don't remember seeing Green. Probably came on, I don't remember. Thought Brown came on as well. And the right back position, but he was playing quite high. More for like a wing back. I think they kind of switch up it like a back three like. At one point I saw Ming, Cummins and Lower. I think so they kind of switch to a back three in latter stages. Probably that kind of change up the attacking impetus of the game. So like a 3-4-3 kind of switch to. When Brown came on and then over the left side was Whips the same way. So overall, not the best game. It wasn't really a good watch either, as me say. I don't think anybody get anything above 6.5. And probably this 6.5 would go to Busy. Because he was the one who created the goal. And probably Fuller to get a 6. So it wasn't a really good watch. It wasn't a pretty game, I have to say. The coach, I was trying to see what the coach was trying to do. That was the most important aspect of the game for me. I was really trying to see what the coach was doing. Found it difficult in trying to identify what exactly the team was trying to do. It was just a tough watch. I'm hopeful the next friendly is far better than this. Look better than this. Look more structured, look more organized. We had more control of the game. I do believe that we should have a better control of the game, even though we have quite a lot of possession. Statistics for the game. Let me see if we can get the statistics for the game. Probably shouldn't have this at hand. See that I know me I look for it. I do apologize for that, people. I do apologize for that. These are so many people. Them always across me say we shouldn't have them something at hand before we start do anything. Yes, which is true. I may agree with that 100%. 100%. But I don't know. I say things at some time. Stats, Jamaica had 58% possession. How much shots we had? This not will show me amount. Not will show me it. Can't even find the amount of shots. Okay. But anyways, I thought if my mind serves right, I probably had about 2 shots. We had a few. Fuller came on and took a few. Busy took a few. Fletcher took one. A few. Well, Ellis took a few. Warner Brown took a few. So we probably had like more roughly like 9 or 10 shots. If so much. If so much. But overall, not the best game. Not the best game. Not soothing to the eye. None at all. Borderline. I never want to say it. Anyways, but hopefully the next game come up. As I said, still on a coaching perspective, I didn't see much. I really didn't even know if he said to backside. It never looked good. Just never look good. Never good. Anyways, people, smash that button, hit subscribe button soon again. Again, next time. Oh, God bless. Boom. Jeez and peace. Rough one. Outside.